Hi.
Hi, honey.
We're at Rainforest Cafe. Our first time here. We're happy. So we're gonna give you a little detour. Ordering that and that. Oh yeah. So we're in front of the waterfall. We got a good place to sit. And then over us is a bridge. And there's a second floor apparently. There's water. And every little corner there's water falling. So I think there's even a third floor. I'm not sure. So yeah. Yeah, here it is, you guys. Oh, Yeli, you're gonna love this one, Yeli. This is for you. A butterfly that moves.